this tutorial, I will demonstrate the process of installing Fortnite on your Android device utilizing the Epic Games Store. Begin by launching your preferred web browser. Proceed to the Epic Games website at. Locate the Install button, typically situated at the top of the screen, and tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the download of the app file. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded app file. You may encounter a warning regarding installation from unknown sources. Simply confirm the installation. Allow the Epic Games Store to install. Locate the Epic Games Store app on your home screen or within the app drawer. Launch the app and sign into your Epic Games account or create a new one if necessary. Search for Fortnite within the Epic Games Store. Click on the Install button. Follow the on-screen instructions to download the app file. You will need to grant permission for Epic Games to install Fortnite on your device. Upon completion of the installation, locate Fortnite on your home screen. Simply rotate your phone to the side to enable full screen mode. By following these steps, you can successfully install Fortnite on your Android device.